So you've logged into your Namecheap account and noticed your name is wrong, or maybe it's got a typo or it's showing an old name that you just need to update, and you've been clicking around trying to find where on earth you actually edit that field. I've been there. It's one of those things that feels like it should be obvious, but it's just not. So here's the good news. I'm going to show you exactly where to click to fix it in about 30 seconds. We're going to start at the Namecheap homepage. Walk through to your account menu, then your profile, and then right to the name field. We'll get it edited and saved, no extra steps, no fluff. All right, let's do this. First thing, head over to the Namecheap homepage, just the main site, namecheap.com. You don't need to be on any special page or dashboard, just the regular homepage is perfect. This is where we start. Now, up in the top right corner of that page, you're going to see a button that says Account. Click on that. This is your main menu for everything related to your personal account settings, so go ahead and give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, you want to click on Profile. Now, I know it's tempting to look around for an editing icon right there, but the actual editing tools are tucked inside the Profile section, so just click Profile. Once you're on the Profile page, you'll see a few different sections. What we're looking for is the field labeled Name. It's usually one of the first things you see, right at the top of your personal information. Click on the name field itself, or just click on the word Name. Either way works. And here's where the magic happens. You'll see a small blue button that says Edit. Click that. And now the field becomes editable. You can type in your correct first and last name. Make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear on your account. There's no rush, but it's pretty straightforward. Now, let me mention something quickly. If you click into that editing mode and then change your mind for any reason, there's a cancel button right next to the save option. Just click cancel and it will revert back to what you had, so you can experiment a little without worrying about messing anything up. And that's really all there is to it. From clicking around confused to fixing your name in under a minute. I've walked through this exact process many times, and this is the most direct path I found. So next time you need to update your details, you'll know exactly where to go. Thanks for sticking with me.